Next is Deepa, who's going to talk a little bit about a new approach to using AI with grant writing.
Yeah, hi everyone. We launched Grant AI 2 years ago at the TechSoup Tech Trends event. And it's been 2 fabulous years of learning from our nonprofits and building this product really with their input. We've had hundreds of organizations from all around the world use it, and they're raising millions in dollars with minimal effort because we are in the age of AI, and our job is now to not really do the real work, but to manage AI. We've all been promoted. And so it's been a good 2 years of educating people about, how to look at AI as well, because a lot of them are still very not comfortable with it. But anyway, so this is GrantOrb AI. This is a agentic system which is designed to help you find grants, write grants, and win grants. So it's been really designed for winning grants. I've been a grant, I've worked with lots of nonprofits all across the world, and I've written tons of grants, and I've won lots of grants from Rockefeller, Ford Foundation, Salesforce Foundation. I've worked with Salesforce Foundation too, and I've given grants. So I understand the grant scene really well. And when I encountered AI in 2023, I was like, I've got to build something for the nonprofit space. Yeah, I understand the space and I understand AI now. And AI is the most amazing technology that we've been given, because with AI and GrantOrb, now you can, something that took 50 hours, your work is done in 5 minutes. So it's a no prompt system. So it's not a chatbot. Like, I know a lot of us are used to chatbots, and chatbots requires a lot of back and forth. It requires a lot of deep understanding of large language models to really retrieve the information that you need. And sometimes we don't end up doing the greatest job with that, and then we're not satisfied with the output. So this is a system which is completely no prompt. It's agentic. It's designed keeping nonprofits in mind, because I understand, being with Salesforce, that how the technology is hard, it never gets adopted. Basically, we've AI powered the entire process from finding grants, which once you set up your profile here and enable an AI agent, it's constantly looking for grants for you and supplying you with that information, like this grant matches your profile, this grant matches your profile. Do you want to apply for it? And once you say yes, it just pops out the template of the grant application form, which is something like this. Like, these are all the different grant application forms of all the upcoming grants. And let's just take this example. Like, this is the TD's environment grant, and say, I'm interested in writing this grant, so let's go about it. And what you see here is basically the grant wizard. You literally dump your thoughts about your project. What is it that you're trying to seek funding for? Unstructured thoughts are totally fine. How we discuss, this grant is coming up, let's get money for something like setting up a garden in our neighborhood or something like that. So these are just rough thoughts. You don't have to be polished. The AI does the rest of the work. So I'll just give you an example. I'll put this here, which is to basically set up like a hands-on learning space, a school garden for kids. Anyways, so just say create outline. And you don't have to wait while the AI is creating this outline. You can actually leave the system, go take a coffee break, go meet your friend, open another tab and do something else. It's an AI agent that has been activated. It's writing out an outline for you, which will look something like this. So it takes like about a minute for it to produce an outline. And so you can view your outline. But anyways, it's creating an outline in the background. But let's just go back to, here are all your outlines that it creates. So basically, you review this outline. You're like, okay, this looks good. This is all in alignment with what we want to do. And once you're happy, just say, I'm ready to generate the grant proposal. That takes another 2 minutes. And basically, we build like an agent that validates your outline with what the fund is looking to fund, because funder alignment is the most important thing, no matter how great your project is. If it's not aligned, you will not get the funding. So it'll come up with improvements to improve. And so this is a completely no prompt system. You don't need to deal with prompting any of that. The expertise, grant writing expertise is being baked in, and it's agentic, means you can literally command the AI and leave, shut your laptop and go away and come back to see your work get done.